How to remove the fake followers on your Instagram account. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can remove the fake followers on your Instagram account. The very first step is to launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have logged into your respective account and tap on your profile, which is on the down bar. After doing that, on the top right side you will see 3 vertical lines. Just tap on this. Now scroll down and down up until you see the very option of follow and invite friends. When you tap on this, you will see the option of flag for review. So certain accounts including potential spam will need your approval. So I've already enabled it. So no spam account will be able to follow my Instagram account. But if you have somehow any spam accounts and you have not enabled it, then just enable it. And after enabling it, just go back and go on your followers list. And after you go on your followers list, you will see the option of potential spam if by chance any spam account has followed you, and you can just unfollow them from there. So if you want to delete it and you have it, then do try it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below.